Evidence has surfaced suggesting that man and dinosaurs may have coexisted.
The Bible teaches very clearly in Exodus 20:11 in the Ten Commandments that God made everything in 6 days, which means man had to live with dinosaurs. They didn't call them dinosaurs in those days, they called them dragons. They're mentioned in the Bible. In Job chapter 40 and in chapter 41 it describes 2 dinosaurs. Job 40 describes Behemoth, which has a tail like a cedar tree. This is probably the Brachiosaurus, so the biggest animal ever made. If you read the description in Job 40 with that in mind, it makes perfect sense that this is talking about a dinosaur. Many ancient cultures record evidence of man and dinosaurs living together with pictures on pottery or pictures on walls of caves or artwork. Certainly many legends exist about man and dinosaurs or dragons living together. I think the evidence is overwhelming that dinosaurs did not live before man got here.
It appears that we have much evidence in the world today that dinosaurs have lived into modern times. For example, I've done a lot of research with Indian people, and in their pictographs and petroglyphs, they have drawn pictures of dinosaurs. For example, in the Grand Canyon, one of a huge sauropod or apatosaurus-like creature, also one of a possible T-Rex. We also see in the Inca stones down in Peru, huge stones that were buried with the kings over 1,000 years ago, pictographs carved into the rock showing humans and dinosaurs interacting.
This startling discovery indicates that some marine reptiles may have escaped the Genesis flood. In 1977, the nets of a Japanese fishing ship caught the decaying body of what was believed to be a long-extinct amphibious dinosaur. And there have been other surprising discoveries.
In 1983, Russians found dinosaur and human footprints in the same rock strata, similar to the ones found in Glen Rose, Texas. Evidence of man and dinosaurs living together has come from other countries as well. Several places in the United States and in Australia indicate they live together. Occasionally the footprints are overlapping each other, frequently side by side, indicating they had to be there within a few hours of each other or the rock would have hardened and this would not have been possible.
Here at Glen Rose, Texas, in the Cretaceous limestone layers, we've excavated a nearly complete Acrocanthosaurus dinosaur along with 203 dinosaur footprints, 7 cat prints, 57 identifiable human footprints, a confirmed human finger in the same Cretaceous limestone layering, and in adjacent area was discovered completely encased in Cretaceous sandstone an ancient hammer. These excavated evidences confirm that the Genesis account of the flood is viable, that the record of man and dinosaur living contemporaneously, as given in the book of Job, is correct.